All right, let's revisit what we have covered in this module, Laura. We gave an introduction to various concepts involving ethical hacking. Then we talked about hacking CIA triad vulnerabilities and how exploits use them. And then we talked about zero-day attacks. We also introduced the concepts of vulnerability timelines, types of threats, and how we may strategize the defense in depth. And then we briefly discussed penetration testing methodology, and how we may manage vulnerabilities, incidents, and then finally introduce the preparation of a very important part of the process, the security policy. So on behalf of my good pal Laura here, we wish you luck as you complete the rest of the modules and start on the road to pen testing and ethical hacking.